In this video, we're going to discuss the exterior angles theorem, but before we do that, we need to make sure we understand what exterior angles are. And for this, we're going to use two definitions. We're going to use our definition of linear pair and our definition of interior angles. Exterior angles are the angles that form linear pairs with interior angles. Let's look at a visual representation. We have our original three interior angles here, here, and here. And when I extend out the sides of the triangle, what I can see is I also have three linear pairs to those interior angles. And those are here, here, and here. This brings us to our exterior angles theorem. The exterior angles theorem says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So if we look at our example above, I'm going to name each of our angles A, B, and C. A, B, and C. And the exterior angles theorem says that if we name one of these angles, let's say we call this angle 1, the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. Let's look at an example. If I wanted to find this measure, the missing measure of this exterior angle, I would look to the two angles that are across from it, the non-neighboring angles, the non-adjacent angles, which are 30 and 95. I would sum those together to get 125, and I now know that this angle is 125 degrees.